Hey there, guitar people. Today I've got the pleasure of having a USA Jackson, and this is one nice guitar. Keith here with the Turn to Shine guitar scratch remover for all of your guitar needs, keeping your guitars clean and scratch free. Please check out guitarscratchremover.com and the links at the end of this video. Alright, so I've got a USA made Jackson. This is an exceptional guitar. You can see the beautiful neck, the bird's eye maple, the black inlays. The back is beautiful as well. You can see the really nice bird's eye figured wood here. So there's a big difference, as you may know, between USA made Jacksons and Asian made Jacksons. The Asian made ones are nice. The USA ones are exceptionally nice. Nicer wood. What really stands out to me with this guitar is the neck. The neck is thinner. It's thinner, it's thinner this way, which is quite unusual, and it's thinner this way for sure. So when I compare this to other guitars like Jackson, regular Japanese Jacksons, or even some Ibanez, which already have thin necks, believe it or not, this one is 1 to 2 millimeters thinner, and you can really feel it. So I may even try to post the measurements in the comments or the description of the video if anybody's interested. But great guitar. It comes with obviously a Floyd Rose setup and Seymour Duncans. I'm not sure if this guitar has been, if these were put in later, these hot rail pickups, but it's just a great guitar. I love the feel of the neck so much that the next guitar that I get, I'm going to do my best to get the neck fashioned, even custom made like this one. So it's just a great guitar. As you know, Jacksons are made for speed and playability with the jumbo frets and really nice attention to low action. So anyway, it's a great guitar, and you may not be able to afford one, or you may not be able to find one, because these USA made Jacksons are getting a little hard to come by, especially used. I've seen them for $2,000 and $1,600 to $2,000 and up, which is a lot. So that's a lot for used, but a great guitar. And definitely the special thing that stands out about this one is the neck, because I do feel it's different from the Japanese Jacksons and some of the other ones that are out there, because of the thinness. Once again, the thinness this way, and even slightly narrower nut, which I find a little unusual. But of course, you have to like that. You have to like a thinner neck, but plays really fast. It's a standard scale, 25.5, and this one, of course, has 24 frets. So anyway, great guitar if you can get your hands on one. And any questions, please comment below, drop us a like, and thanks for watching.